I'm the Crypto Lifer. Welcome to my channel. Hope you're having a good morning, day, afternoon, night, no matter where you are in the world. If you like my content and the vibe that I provide, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and don't forget to hit that like button. And please leave a comment because I love reading your comments. We'll talk about participating in a Polkastarter IDO. IDOs are big. They're initial decentralized offerings, right? Just like an ICO, an initial coin offering, just like an IPO, right? All based off the exact same financial system we had before, just with a nuance of names and changes. It's beautiful though. And so this is an IDO, right? Initial decentralized offering, right? And this is your in-depth guide explaining the process of how to participate in an IDO after getting successfully whitelisted. What is whitelisting? Well, you would go to the site and you would basically put in your address. You would do a few things usually, like following them on Twitter. You usually have to do a few tasks. Follow them on Twitter. It's how they get their name out there. It's how they get the likes in the movement. Once you've done that, they put you in a list, and then they pick a lucky group of people who can get in at the beginning before everybody else. Thing is, the chances are that it will go up, and you can 10, 20, 30x off of the IDO, sometimes even 150x, which has happened before. Blocktopia did a 500x out of the IDO. So this is where a lot of big money's coming. Again, a lot of times you can only allocate $500, but if you 10x $500, it's still $5,000. If you 100x $500, it's a lot of money. So, despite the small allocation, it doesn't mean, and it doesn't always mean there's a small allocation. So participate. So there's many of these IDOs. There's Ferrum, there's Polkastarter. They go on and on. There's like probably over 100 now or more. The idea is this: to participate in a Polkastarter IDO, a step-by-step guide. This is your in-depth guide explaining the exact process of how to participate in an IDO after getting successfully whitelisted. If you're reading this, you've probably just won the whitelist lottery for a Polkastarter IDO. If you're looking for ways to win the whitelist lottery, see this article instead. First of all, congrats. This guide will show you the step-by-step process of participating in an IDO after getting the good news. First and foremost, kindly note that Polkastarter currently only officially supports the desktop MetaMask, okay? Start off by checking which network the IDO is on, ETH, BSC, or Matic, and make sure you have enough of the corresponding tokens to cover the volatility in network fees. While fees on BSC and Polygon range from a few cents to a couple of dollars, they can be painfully high on the Ethereum in particular. I don't use Ethereum IDOs. Like I get into an IDO on BSC, Matic, Polygon, Phantom. Cryptocurrencies change in value fast. We recommend having at least 10 to 20% buffer of what you need to participate. For example, let's say the allocation is 200. You should have $200 to $230 worth of ETH, BNB, or Matic in your wallet. We recommend having at least $5 to $10 worth just for network fees on Polygon and BSC, and up to 100 to 150% buffer on Ethereum. You are unlikely to need them, but to be safe, it's best to keep that much. All in all, here's what we recommend. And so there you go. There's your buffers, and that should do it, right? Now you can see the wallet projects page, and every project has a little icon showing which network the sale is on. Some projects might have sales on multiple chains. Be sure to check which one you're whitelisted for exactly. Official Binance Bridge, official Polygon, Xpolyonate, general all-purpose bridge, right? So verify your whitelist status. You can easily do that through our new dashboard on the website. Once you selected that from the menu top, you'll be able to see the status of all whitelist applications you're applied to. You can also simply click on the individual project from the project's menu and confirm your whitelist status from there, right? Then prepare for the token sale. On the day of the IDO, head over to the official page of the project you were whitelisted for. You can find it on the website where all IDOs are hosted, and you can find all the update information of the upcoming IDOs as well. You're likely to be greeted by a CAPTCHA test. That's entirely normal. And we advise you to be on the website for a good 5 to 10 minutes prior to the start of the IDO. You can see that in the top right corner of the image below. To prepare your wallet and ensure access, it's very common for some IDOs to last only a few minutes. So be there or be square, right? When the countdown hits 0, the page automatically refreshes, a join button will appear, and you are whitelisted. Clicking it leads you to another page where you can make your actual contribution through MetaMask. Mind that you always have to accept a disclaimer before you can participate after accepting. You can enter the amount you would like to contribute. You can also utilize the max button. Might as well. And there you go. And that's the same process for many, many, many IDOs. You got to learn this and understand this. This is where a lot of money is made in cryptocurrency. Being first in almost anything in life does have a benefit, and it has a huge benefit here in cryptocurrency. I use Polkastarter as an example. Shout out to Polkastarter. Appreciate you and the team and everything you're doing for the crypto space. Thank you so much for watching this. I also do a live stream every single day from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Monday through Friday, and Saturday and Sunday nights at 8 p.m. Sunday nights, it's Bitcoin's weekly candle close to get you ready for the week ahead, like we did just the other day. So watch this video, learn IDOs, understand it, come to my channel, learn so much more about cryptocurrency, and get ready for what's coming in 2022. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you so much. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. You can find out when I post my next video. Remember, if you came to the channel, then you're already doing the right thing. Crypto is life.